Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You're a nice man. Xin chào. Hello, I am here to check in, please. I'm sorry, I don't speak Vietnamese. Xin chào is hello. Long day. What do you need from me? The James washcloth? Yes, ma'am. It's in.
You're welcome, sir.
Yes, please. Okay.
This is your name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You forgot that you will have the one bed in the room has a window.
Wonderful.
You stay here 3 nights.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the price for 3 nights.
Yes.
The time pick up contract and minus smoking.
Okay.
I need your signature and what's the property.
Yes, ma'am.
And how much to pay this?
Visa. Credit card. Thank you. Thank you. I need a photo of this. Okay, receipt, yes. Wonderful. Thank you so much. So can you tell me about the hotel? Is there a pool? Okay. What about a restaurant?
Yes,
No,
first
fine.
restaurant just open for the breakfast or dinner.
Okay.
To the time we know how.
That's okay. And is there an ATM that you know of?
This way.
This way. Okay.
Have to wait maybe inside the lobby of the Homeboy Hotel.
Which one?
Homeboy.
Folk Boy.
Yeah.
No ATM. Do you know where that is? No.
Inside the Homeboy, but we cannot shut yet.
That's okay.
Yeah, inside the hotel, Homeboy Hotel, we cannot
Sure.
shut.
Okay,
And
yes.
one more from the registration.
Okay. It's another ATM.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
open.
Red Radisson. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. That's lovely. Okay.
Information, breakfast, the Wi-Fi, complimentary, all here for you. Yeah, I don't know.
Where do I put the key? This way. I'm so confused. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. I have so many hotels. Okay. Yeah, I'll bring this back to you in 3 days. Okay. Alrighty, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Hiển Ly thì biết đường đúng không?
Thank you. I got it. I'll do it. Oh, I'll bring this back down to you. How you doing today? Good?
Yes.
Let's go. I got it. I got it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I can do it. I don't like them. I can do it. You know what I mean? It's very nice. Don't get me wrong. But I am capable of doing it. Okay. All right. It's fine. It's not the best place I've ever been, but it's not the worst. It's fine. It's pretty good, as long as we get the air conditioning working. Nah, it's fine. Let's get the AC. It's very, very hot in here. It doesn't seem to work. How do you do it? Powerful. It doesn't seem to work. Come on. $22. See, 21 is too cold, but 22 is too hot. This is why we use Fahrenheit. Powerful. Now it's off. Oh, come on. Cracks. Okay, you know, marks all over the wall. Before they start charging me, let's look for damage. Wet. Oof. Okay, it's not the Waldorf Astoria, and also it's not the Hilton. But 3 nights, yeah, fine, as long as there's internet. It's fine. It's not great. It's fine. I forget how much this was. $20 a night? As long as there's internet. Oof, look at this. Oof. I don't think the air conditioning is working. But I do know where there is a pool. I can go back to the other hotel. And there's also a pool at the Radisson. And I'm certain there's a pool at the Sheridan. So maybe just go there. Oh shit. The only fork in 5,000 miles. Yes. Look at the remote. Broken. Symphony of the Sea. No, it's not. It's not food. Embassies. No, there's a doggo. Fucking hell. Guys. No, poor thing. Fucking hell. That makes me so fucking sad. Just sitting in the street. Fuck all to do. God damn it. No. Poor thing. Absolutely fuck all to do in life. God damn it. That makes me so sad. Absolutely fuck off. God damn it. I'll go feed it. I have some beef jerky from Korea. I can give it. and some milk. And some yogurt. Some spring rolls. That really bothers me. And look, a car's about to run it over. Oh my god. Even the dog can't relax without a car running it over. I feel so fucking bad for that dog. Even the dog can't relax. God damn it. It's terrible.